Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how you can search for templates in Capcut. So let's get started. So currently inside Capcut there is no feature to search for templates, but we are going to be heading over to capcut.com, and once you're onto their site, here as you can see we have this option on the top left side of our screen of templates. Click on that and this will be directed towards a template section, and here you can see an endless list of templates from which you can choose from. You can also search for a particular template in the search field as well. So let's say I want to use this particular template, and here as you can see you can use this template. So simply click on use this template and your downloading will be started, and you can see it is now opened and you can just modify it according to your liking. So that's how you can use template for Capcut. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.